Hi there, I want to show you real quickly how to write a song in just a couple of minutes. First, I'm using my beat blocks and I have composed two very short little sections of music. I have an A section, which is cinco pa ti 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 ti. I've also composed a B section, tiki tiki ta ta. This is a composition project for my fourth graders, and these are rhythms that they are expected to know, to be able to read, and to use accurately. I have also chosen a form for my song, the order of the sections, and I've chosen AAAB. So my complete rhythmic composition here would be cinco pa ti 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 cinco pa ti 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 cinco pa ti 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 tiki tiki ta ta. Now, what I'd like to do is record that in perhaps a little more interesting way, have a little more of a finished product. And so to use that, I'm going to use GarageBand. And because this is an assessment on rhythm, I do not want the melody to get in the way. I just want to focus on the rhythm, and GarageBand allows me to do that easily. So if I toggle over, I'm going to create a new document. And let's use the keyboard. You can use just about any instrument that has pitch. I happen to love the keyboard, and I'm going to stick with that. You can always change it later as well. So a few things to look for here. I'm going to put this on classical grand for now. I do not want to use these smart instruments. This is wonderful. You can make it autoplay. But for the sake of today, I need to make sure that my rhythm is coming across clear and accurate. So I'm going to leave that off. Instead, I will be looking at the scale. And this is the fun part. I can pick really any scale for this because the melodic aspect honestly doesn't matter, just the rhythmic does. I'm going to pick klezmer, just because it's kind of a fun one. And the first thing I want to do is take my A section rhythm and put it in the klezmer scale. So it's easier than you think. GarageBand is wonderful at shading in the tonic, the home tone. That's where you start and end. So this will be my first note. It will also be the last note of my song. So I can play around and find my cinco pa ti 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 ti. There's my A section right there. If I play that 3 times in a row, I've got 3/4 of my song already done. Now I just need the B section, and I'm going to need it to end at home again. My rhythm that I composed is tiki tiki ta ta. And so my completed song is the A section. When I feel that I'm ready, I can press record. Another thing you might want to check, you can always click the wrench and change the tempo if it's too fast. I'm going to keep it right where it is, and I'm going to keep my metronome turned on as well. So I'll just press record. And I'll press stop. You can see it took up 4 measures. I have 4 more that it automatically made. I'm just going to get rid of those. And if I go back, I can listen to it. And I'm happy with it, so I don't need to re-record. I could, however, change. And just to finish it a little bit more, I'm going to go here and look at my tracks. And I'm going to borrow a loop, just to kind of give it a little more finish. Let's drop this one in and see what it sounds like together. Okay, if I love it, I'm done with it. I could always add more, but it's nice to just keep it simple sometimes. I'm going to go click My Songs, and it's ready to share. There it is. Select this, And if I press share, I'm going to send the song and press share again. You could send it to SoundCloud, you could upload it to Seesaw or any other platforms that you may be using.